So a couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this tutorial how to achieve the wet hair look, which I feel like is kind of popular at the moment. So today I'm going to be trying it out, but mostly what I want to know is, how does it feel? Does it look acceptable to go out in, or does it just look good on camera and for photos and for being at home? That's the main thing that I want to know. A simple way to achieve the wet look with wavy and curly hair is to do your regular curly and wavy hair routine, and then when your hair is in a cast from the gel, leaving your hair in a cast, that kind of gives a wet look as though your hair is wet. But I don't really like the look of my hair when it's left in a cast. So to achieve this wet look, I have my brush. I'm going to brush out my hair first. The tutorial, she used a salt spray. I don't have one, but I have this volume boost hairspray from Curly Secret, which I found, well, I've never tried a salt spray, but I kind of feel like this is similar vibes. It dries out your hair a little bit. So yeah, I think this will work. Then they say to add a lot of oil and finally gel. And for my makeup today, because I feel like the wet look is kind of like a bad bitch vibe, so I went with kind of dark makeup today to kind of match the vibe of my hair. Not sure if I'm feeling this makeup. I got it from TikTok, but I think the brick colored eyeshadow, I think it's too red, and I think my eyes are too small to do like a huge wing, and I need lash glue for lashes. So the look isn't giving what I wanted it to give, but we're just gonna go with it. So first of all, I am taking my brush and I'm just brushing out my hair. I washed it a couple of days ago and I haven't brushed it since I washed it, so it is quite knotty at this point. So I just want to brush it out to make sure that I don't have a load of knots going into this. And then I'm taking the Curly Secret volume spray and just spraying that all over my hair really generously and scrunching a little bit as I go along. Unfortunately, my waves aren't really forming as much as I like. I would have liked maybe a little bit more definition. And yeah, I feel like my hair was taking a while to kind of get that wet look from the spray. And at this point, I wasn't sure if maybe brushing out was a bad idea because some of it just seemed too fluffy and it was taking very long to make it appear wavy and wet, I guess. I decided that this was enough spray, and then I took a generous amount of oil and ran it through my hair and did some scrunching. I did the same on the other side, and then I went in and added some more. The video that I watched, she didn't say exactly how much to use, she just said use a lot of oil. My oil has like one of those little pipette things, I think they're called. On the side where I have more hair, I used about 4 pipettes, maybe 5, and on the other side I think I used 4. Once I was done doing that, I feel like now my hair is looking more wet and more believable. I took some of the Cantu gel and just put that on my roots just to smooth them down so my hair looks wet. And then I thought that I would try and add a little bit of gel to a couple of face framing pieces and finger roll them so they look a bit more wavy and a bit more defined. And I think they turned out quite cute. The one on my right isn't perfect, but I mean, you know, supposedly we've got wet hair, we've just come out of the shower or something, so it doesn't need to be perfect, I don't think. And that's all I did. It was really quick. It only took me about 5 minutes to do this. I think I achieved it. I think maybe perhaps when I brushed it out wasn't really a great idea, because then when I was trying to scrunch my hair again, like the waves weren't really coming back. But then again, my hair is quite loose anyway. It does look wet. It kind of looks like it's wet, but it's drying. I'm really curious if this is going to change at all in the next few hours. So if it does, I will check back in and show you. As for how it feels, it just kind of feels damp, really. I think I'd go out like this. I don't think I'd go to the supermarket like this, but if I was going to like a party or a night out for drinks or something, then I think I would rock this look. I don't know if I perhaps needed more spray, more oil, if I got the right amount. I'm not 100% sure if I love it, but I think it's okay. If I were to go out, this wouldn't be my first choice of hairstyle. I think this would be a great option if you need to get ready in a hurry and perhaps your waves or curls are not looking great. Your hair is not in any state to be straightened. Perhaps it's greasy anyway. Why not add more oil to it and make it look intentional? I definitely think that this hairstyle is really great out when you're in that situation. I think it looks kind of cute. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look. Have you tried it? I was wondering if I should go over with some mousse to add some more definition into my hair, but I don't know if that would be pushing it. That might be putting too much in my hair. I think I should just leave it as it is right now. I'll be washing this tomorrow, I guess. Now I definitely cannot put off wash day. If you'd like to see how I have been growing my hair and getting healthier hair these past 4 months, then make sure to check out this video. And here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!